On the defensive, Prime Minister Andrew Holness defends continued use of states of emergency following criticism from international body. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. A special welcome to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Anthony Lug. Also this evening, young female firefighter dies in a motor vehicle crash. And later, Colin Bell, no longer PNP caretaker for Portland Eastern constituency. There's also Saturday Sports Special and weather in this newscast, so please stay with us. The news in detail right after this break.